2010 Toyota Tundra 4WD truck. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. You'll also love how it combines comfort and convenience with its side view mirrors with turn signals, satellite radio, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.